am a complete noob. I had this Sonos system in my house for about 6 months, and I had no idea that my TV wasn't outputting 5.1 sound to the Sonos through one stupid setting. If you guys have a Vizio TV with your Play Bar, you need to change this setting right here. Go to your menu, audio, digital out, and make sure this is on Bitstream. Now there's an optical cable from the TV going directly to the Play Bar, and I assumed, since it was an optical cable, that it would carry the 5.1 sound signal, but no, it didn't. The PCM setting is uncompressed 2-channel audio, and I'm not sure about other TVs, but I'm sure there's also settings in them just like this one. And these Vizio TVs come with PCM enabled by default, so you need to change the digital out audio to Bitstream and you should be good. We'll go back here, go to menu. Now let's go to my Plex server I have in my basement, and we'll just try this out. Now this is a Blu-ray I backed up, and it has AC3 5.1 surround. That's the one I want. Make sure, and we'll hit play. Focus, you fuck! Go to your Sonos app, hit more, settings, about my Sonos system, and you'll see Play Bar living room is now playing in Dolby Digital 5.1. I can't believe it took me that long to figure out that setting. I had no idea. The sound difference is night and day. So if you just bought your Play Bar or your Beam and you're wondering why isn't the sound coming out the way you expected it, look at your TV and change that setting. I hope this helps you guys, because I literally found this out 2 days ago. Alright, that's all for me. Have a happy new year.